Alright, so today in the shop we have this 1971 Jeepster SC1 Commando. SC stood for Sport Commando. This year, 1971, was the first year for this butterscotch color. In 72, 73, it took off, became mass produced. It was kind of a rarity in 71, but people absolutely loved this color. So this car also, these were really made for dry climates. I don't know if it was done by intent, but they were poorly seam sealed, poorly undercoated, and not made for wet climates at all. And as luck would have it, this one came from the very salty and wet east coast of Maryland. So we went out of our way to bolster this baby up.
What this Jeepster special about it is completely corrosion protection with epoxy primer. The underside is bed linered, so this will probably be the last Jeepster on the face of the earth.